I'm like, yeah, I know. Because if all I can think about is the fact that I literally need to not just drive past Polynesian, but all the way to the house bottom of fucking Disney property just to pull back up. Feeling of sound.
Hey guys, welcome home to the channel. Magical greetings from Disney's Beach Club Hotel. Happy Patrick's Day to you guys. And we have Pluto right there. We have Goofy on this side. We just stopped by here, and so we are going to Epcot. But I just wanted to go stop by and go see the Easter displays for this year. So here they are. So we have now Chip and Dale with the carrot too. That's cool. We got some flowers around the table too as well, which is nice. And we have, I don't know what that is, but it does look nice. Yeah, very pretty. Then we have, who's this? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. Mickey and Minnie. Wow. I'm so glad that I stopped here. Yeah, this is pretty right here too, as well. Greenhouse Mix #1. So there's a, oh wait a minute, that's Groot right there. Do you see him? I like this one too, as well. Do you see it? Wow. Oh, now you can go see it. Let's see if you can go see Groot a little bit. And it's backlit, but it's okay. We have, what's this? Okay, that is in the Japan Pavilion at Epcot. This right here. It doesn't look good. This is a nice chocolate one. I would love to go eat that too as well. So I think that's about it, guys. This is just like a short stop by here at the Beach Club. I still have to go to the Contemporary and the Grand to go see their Easter displays. So I don't think that there's anything else here at the beach for Christmas. I was about to go say Christmas Easter displays, but well, we have Donald Duck right here. Donald, there he is. We have Pluto right here too as well. So, yeah, so I guess that's it. So this is a very short visit here at the beach club. So guys, happy Patrick's Day to you guys as well. And I'm going to go to Epcot soon. So, Pluto. Oh, there he is. Hey, Pluto. Hey, Donald. Hey, you're our newbie. Great. I'll see you soon. Oh, that was great. Alright, guys. As Mickey Mouse will say, and Stitch. See you real soon, and thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. Well, actually, this is not the end of this vlog. I'm just going to get the beach and the yacht club together in one video. So this is the Yacht Club Easter display. This one is, alright, so the flower and garden display was at beach, and Moana Easter egg display created by the Yacht and Beach Club pastry team. So this is the Moana themed. And we have all of the flowers too as well. And all of these guys too. It is kind of dark in here. This is not like the beach. I have the brightness all the way up, so this is all you can get. Well, actually, I can go use my flashlight too as well. So I will do that too soon. After this, show you all of these details. A lot of details here too as well. And, oh, that looks pretty too as well. I like that. Very nice. And we have another egg right here too. And so that is it, guys. So yeah, it does look nice. Very beautiful. I think that this is the very first time that they had a Easter display here at the Yacht Club. I think. I don't remember it last year or the year before and all that stuff. I only remember the beach had something. So there you have it, guys. So guys, happy Patrick's Day to you, because it is Patrick's Day. And as Mickey Mouse will say, and Stitch will say, there he is, all festive in Patrick's attire. See you real soon, and thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys.